it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our July 27th, 2024 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 3 dies brand new from our new release, and those can be bundled for your best value. There is an additional die requirement, which is the foundation die of the Lorna label pop-up. So that is sold separately, but you do need all 4 of these dies to participate. Card 1 will be hello, just a note to say, you make my heart sing. We are using beautiful 49 and market papers this month, and that is a 5x5 square top fold card that can be mailed in an A7 envelope. Our second card will be a top fold A2 birthday card, and this one's going to combine both mechanisms, the Lorna label and the new piano keys pop-up, plus those dangling music charms. It'll be a birthday card, really beautiful again with the 49 and market papers. Let me explain how our Zoom program works in case you're new to it. The first thing you do is you purchase a kit, and for Zoom classes, those kits are sold exclusively through stores. You can find a list on our website. For this month, there are 4 required dies. There's the 3 brand new ones, and those can be bundled with your paper kit for your best value, and then that additional foundation die of the Lorna label pop-up. Now, it does sometimes happen, even with a brand new release, that people have already purchased some or all of the required dies before they find out about the class. So you can still participate because you can purchase through those same stores a paper extra and instructions kit that does not include the dies. But just to be clear, you still need the dies because your kit is going to be the bulk materials. You're going to be using those required dies plus the instructions and the prep work video to prep your kit. Now, once you receive your kit, just hang out and wait, and 10 days before the Zoom class, you will receive by email from the store where you purchased your kit a link to that prep work video, plus your detailed PDF instructions, plus all the information for tuning into the Zoom class. The Zoom classes take several hours, so if you can't make the live class or you have to dive out early because you have another commitment, it's fine. They are being recorded, and we will send out that recording to the students after the class. But just know that those video recordings are not made public. So if you want to participate in this class, you do need to be a kit holder. You will find a list of stores that are making class kits on our website under the Events tab. Hope to see you there.